Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something on the GLI. It's been a long time. So we're going to be doing a front lip. My buddy Bob over here already pulled the front bumper. I'll go over some of the tips on where the bolts are to help you guys out if you decide to install this front lip. But first, before I show you all the little mounting points or bolts, I'm going to show you the lip he went with. I'll put a link in the description if you guys decide to pick up this lip yourself. So let's get to that part of the video and then we'll move on from there. So this is the lip he decided to go with. It's not installed yet, just showing you roughly how it's going to look. This lip is made by Dutch Auto. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description. This is actually a really heavy duty plastic. If you knock on it, this is not like thin stuff. This is thick, heavy duty stuff, so it's really solid. Could we actually pull the bumper off real quick just so I can show everybody what it looks like? So this is what the lip looks like off the car, or off the bumper that we mocked up. Really, like I said, heavy duty. This is thick. I don't know what kind of hard plastic that is, but that's some heavy duty stuff, so it seems really good quality. So we're gonna try to get this lined up and mount it to the bumper, and then we'll show you how it turns out, and we'll give you any tips along the way that you might need to know with mounting this. Alright, so my mistake guys, it's actually by Dutch Parts Co. And this is the mounting hardware they give you, which is really nice. These are the end pieces, and since the lip is going to have a gap from the middle of the front bumper, these are the little spaces that go in the center. So they'll obviously go in this area, that way they create that space. They create that space over here from the front bumper to the lip, and it's going to be more flush mounted over here. So we're gonna try to get this all lined up, and then we'll show you whatever tricks we have to get it looking right. Okay, so we got this one mounted, this bolt mounted, and the center ones, there's going to be a nice size gap. So what we're going to do to drill the hole, we're going to be putting the spacer in place, and we're going to run the drill bit through that spacer. Try to block out the sun the best I can. Yeah, so the drill bit's going to get run right through the spacer, so we get an accurate idea of right where that's going to go through, so we could attach it with the nut and bolt. So we'll show you what that's going to look like after we get done with that. Okay, so we got the spacer all lined up. He's going to run the drill bit through it. Everything's square. And that's it. Now we have an accurate idea. You should just leave it in. Run the bolt through. We're now going to run the bolt through it. Now it's exactly where it needs to be with the correct spacing, so that it goes in straight. Did it move on you a little bit? Oh, there you go. See? That's going to sit right. There's the nut and bolt. Sweaty hand, sorry.
Might have to,
So this is what it should look like from the back side. One there, one there, one there, sorry for the shadows. One there, there, and there. And I'll show you what it looks like here. Everything's nice and squared up. Okay, so to get this bumper off, there's a bolt right up there. Hard to see, but there's one right up in that direction, and there's another one, if you look from here, going this direction. So there's two very close to each other, so one going up that way and one going that way, and you're gonna have one there, these three here, and then you're gonna have a few underneath here. I believe there's three. The same thing on the other side. And then you're gonna have another 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna have 4 on top. 1, 2, 3, JB4, along with the grill that's going to unclip from here. You may have to push the tabs down or whatever, and you're going to have to detach this harness, which is connected to your Volkswagen emblem. And that's pretty much it for the bumper deinstallation or removal. It's not too bad according to what Bob over here said. I wasn't here for that part, but he said it was pretty simple. He did that himself before I got here. So the lip is all installed, bumper's back on. This is what it looks like. So after putting everything back together, we only had to leave out 2 screws. One which was roughly about here because the lip is in the way, and same on the other side. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll be glad to answer them for you. And remember to like the video if you can, really appreciate it. We're gonna get some more shots when we can pull the car out and give you a better idea how it looks. So thanks for watching, guys.
Oh, yeah.